was allegedly forced to run to death when she was punished for eating a chocolate bar. The stepmother and grandmother of the child were last night charged with her murder in Alabama, USA. It was alleged Savannah Harding, who had a bladder condition, was forced to run around the house 3 hours. She died in hospital around noon on Monday, with preliminary reports showing was severely dehydrated. Later that night, Savannah's stepmother ran 911 when her stepdaughter started having seizures. She was airlifted to hospital where she later died. Etowah County District Attorney Jim Hart said basically she was caused to undergo physical exertion to the point